Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to my first ever weather forecast. Today we're going to be doing the weather for the country of the United States. As you can see, we currently have some storms going through. We have some severe thunderstorms. I just got done with a radar coverage video. So I will be going live here again in probably a few minutes after this video. So, but we do have some storms. Sorry about the coughing in the background. I'm sick, but we're here. We're going to be checking everything. The radar/satellite. Not much going on right now. We do have a little bit of a low pressure system happening just south of Shreveport. This probably will be going on towards Shreveport in the next little bit. We have a severe thunderstorm watch for North Carolina and Southern Virginia. And then if we go to precipitation in the last 24 hours, you can see we did have some pretty good precipitation in the Rockies just a little bit ago near Denver and Santa Fe and Flagstaff and Phoenix and Shane. We had some pretty good stuff. We already have, with these storms that are going through, these are producing probably some flooding. We have some flooding probably going on. And the yellows and reds is some heavier end rain. Definitely got some flooding going on over here. There's some flash flood warnings in effect. So definitely be vigilant on that. If you're in any flood warnings, definitely be vigilant. We have a lot of river flood warnings on the Illinois border here. Got a flash flood warning here in Maryland. We got a lot of flood warnings. Look at snow in the last 24 hours. There wasn't much, just a little bit of a blippy snow in the mountains there of Colorado. So here, the temperatures right now, not looking terrible. It's pretty cooler, except if you're in Las Vegas, you guys are looking about between 100 and 106 degrees. If you're in Phoenix, you're looking at like 103, between 103 and 104. If you're in Chicago, things are pretty cool up in Chicago. If you're in Springfield, Bloomington, Peoria, Chicago, Rockford, it's in the 70s. Janesville, Madison, it's all 70s up here in the Midwest. But if you're in like the plains here, you guys are looking at 80s and 90s, possibly. If you're in Texas, we're looking at... Usually, we've had a lot of heat lately, guys. A lot of heat for you guys in Texas lately. We're up to 100, but it's kind of cold there now, isn't it, for you, Texas? It's 90 degrees for you guys. It was really hot there. But Little Rock, you're looking at 82 degrees right now. If you're in Florida, it's a little hotter there. It's between actually 90 and 100 there. It's pretty hot in Miami. It's about 94 there. Yeah, it's just pretty cool around the country. And then we have some storms going on here. These storms are bringing a little bit of cooler weather. You see those yellows? Those are cooler. That's about between 65 and 70 degrees. So it is a little cooler there. If we go to the earthquake map, there has been some earthquakes around the country. There has been some wait. Why am I doing earthquakes? I'm not even on to that yet. The feels like temperature. There is some feels like temperature out there. If you're in the green, that's just a normal map. I don't think you're in a feels like temperature, but if you're in a feels like temperature, it does feel really hot in Tampa and Orlando and Miami. Super hot for you guys. Corpus Christi, super hot as well. Phoenix and Las Vegas and Kingman and Yuma, you guys are also boiling with the heat index. Dew points aren't too bad. I would say this is about probably down here, probably really humid down here in the Florida area, super humid. It's probably about 85. Probably I would say about 80% humidity. Wind speeds, there has been some wind speeds around the country. Probably about. We definitely got some high winds in the storms over here right now in North Carolina. So there is some wind over here. There is some wind. We got some high wind over here where Anderson is. There's been some breezy wind going on. UV index is huge. I don't really know what the UV index is. I still don't know much about that. But this would probably be like the heat index, I would say. But that's what it is right now, is the UV index. I don't know what that is, but I don't know a lot about weather yet. Road weather, it's pretty bad right now in Baton Rouge. You see that blue is really bad. That's where we have a severe thunderstorm warning right now. We actually have a new severe thunderstorm warning that just got issued. But yeah. And that's really it. Current conditions. Let's take a look at the current weather right now. Here's your current weather conditions. It's pretty much sunny all over the country. Just some storms we do have some storms in the area over here. There is some storms. But if you're in the northern part, like Illinois or Wisconsin or South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Colorado, Wyoming, it's pretty sunny right now. New Mexico, it's all sunny there. Let's get wildfire detections. There may be a couple wildfires trying to pop up around. Got some wildfires near Jackson, Mississippi. We potentially have some fires just to the... We potentially have a little bit of a fire there. Just to the west of Janesville, to the north of Rockford. If we go over here, we got some wildfires over here. So definitely be vigilant of these wildfires. Earthquakes, I don't see... There is a few earthquakes. There's actually been a few big earthquakes in the area. There's been a big one right here. This is a magnitude 3.49, which is insane. Oh, if you look at all the weather alerts in the country, this is all your alerts. And I'm generally impressed. We do not have a lot of alerts in the country right now. It's pretty quiet. We just got a mess of flood warnings up here in the border here of Illinois, in the Rockford area, with some floods. We have air quality alert for Denver. We got a flood watch for central and eastern New Mexico. Got a big flood advisory over here. We got some excessive heat warnings for the Las Vegas area and Los Angeles area. We got heat advisory. An excessive heat watch. We have some heat advisories here, plus excessive heat warnings in the Washington and Oregon area. We got a heat advisory just south of Jackson. We got severe thunderstorm. We got a big severe thunderstorm warning there, plus a severe thunderstorm watch and a flood watch. Some flash flood warnings there, and you got some... Oh, my radar just froze. And we got a few rip current statements over there. Anyway, that is your... Pretty much, I think that would be your weather for today, yep. But we're going to go ahead and do a... See if we have any tropical tracks. We're going to see if we have any hurricanes going on. I did have a person wondering about hurricanes and stuff. So far, my active tropical track is not really picking up much, so I wouldn't say we have much in hurricane or tropical depression wise. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. See you guys later. Peace.